Hey guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to UpIQ. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly delete your browsing data on Google Chrome. Simply click the three dots on the upper right hand side in Chrome and go down to where it says delete browsing data. You can also use the shortcut hotkeys by simple typing Control Shift and Delete. It's going to quickly open up the same window for you. And here you will be able to see your browsing data. Now here you can delete multiple things, right? You can basically set a time when you want to do it. You can do it for all time, 4 weeks, 7 days, 24 hours, and even within the last hour. You can choose to delete only browsing history, or you can also delete cookies and other site data, or you can simply delete cache images and files. Now, if you click on the advanced section as well, you're able to just simply choose same thing like the time that you want to, but also you're able to delete more. You can also delete passwords and other sign-in data, auto farm data, site settings, and even hosted app data. So you can just pick and choose what you want by checking the boxes here. As you can see, you can just easily check them, or you can uncheck and just select just a few that you want, or just a single one, right? And once you do that, all you have to do is just simply go ahead and hit the delete data, and you'll be able to delete data right there. And that's all that you have to do, guys.